Samir.
Hi, I'm Abhinav.
Welcome to Spicy Wicket Cricket Podcast. And today we are going to talk about player spotlight for their recent performance in IPL.
Yep,
So, the first player we are going to talk about is
Priyansh Arya.
yes. And so, Abhinav, tell me what do you like the most of this firecracker, dhamakedar talent?
I mean, I like everything that I've seen of him so far. I think just the way he announced, into the tournament, like uska approach basically. I think he's now like the fastest century maker by an uncapped player. So I think uska jo century tha that came off 39 balls.
Wow.
So, like, obviously, the way he announced himself in the tournament was amazing to see. थोड़ा सा उसका history अगर मैं बताऊँ तो like he belongs to Delhi. The scouts of Punjab, they scouted him from the जो उनकी local Delhi Premier League होती है वहाँ पे he got like really popular because he hit like 6 sixes in 6 balls एक match में. I think he was partnering with Ayush Badoni उस time पे and they had a massive partnership जहाँ पे he hit like 6 sixes in 6 balls और वहाँ से scouts की नज़र पड़ी उस पे. And then later like he also hit like a 50 ball century in SMAT जो सैयद मुश्ताक अली tournament होती है T20 की local domestic. वहाँ पे he hit like a 50 ball 100 against UP. And then that was like right before the auction happened. So I think that really helped.
Yeah, absolutely. Or when you talked about Delhi, it reminded me, Priyansh Arya reminds me of left-handed version of Virendra Sehwag.
Oh,
The
absolutely.
explosive opening,
Yeah.
fearless approach.
Yeah.
That is really refreshing to watch.
Yeah, absolutely. I think जब वो आया like उसके auction में base price थी 30 lakhs, but then he went for around like 3.8 crores and I think पंजाब को कुछ दिखा उसमें and like they instilled all the confidence in him and I think match में भी like situation was not that easy because उसके इर्द गिर्द like wickets गिरते जा रहे थे but he did not like stop at all. उसने अपना approach नहीं change किया. Right from like ball 1 he started making those strokes and I think like those fearless strokes जिसमें high risk high reward वाली strokes. तो
Absolutely.
I think उसके जितने भी wickets गिरते रहे like I think mid innings interview में उसने बोला भी कि मैंने नेहल वडेरा से जाके पूछा कि मैं अपना approach change करूँ या नहीं, but Vadera was like just keep on going. And that's what happened. Like I think century was amazing. But yeah, like what do you think about his approach in like overall?
Yeah, his approach is absolutely fantastic and refreshing, like I said. The way he comes out and starts playing his shots, it's amazing to watch. He's like this fearless group of young Indian players that are coming up, like Yashasvi Jaiswal, Abhishek Sharma, and they are also all top order left-handed batsmen who are going and attacking from ball 1.
Yeah.
And I read an article on ESPN about his approach and how he does not think about failure at all, and he just follows his instinct, which was, like I said, again refreshing. And I think what is commendable is the leadership, Shreyas Iyer and of course Ricky Ponting.
Yeah.
The way they have nurtured him.
Yeah.
I think before the video you were telling me about how Ricky Ponting told him even if he got out on the first ball,
Yes.
don't think about it. I want to go and hit the 6
Yeah.
that you wanted to hit there.
Yes. Yeah.
That mindset and that leadership and nurturing these young players to not have that negative thoughts, it shows in his performance.
Exactly, and I think Ricky Ponting to jana bhi jata hai just to like, he keeps kind of just talking positive things. Like he did a great, a great effort. Like his effort when he was in Delhi, I think when he was the coach of Delhi was amazing. He led Delhi to almost the finals, I think. with Shreyas Iyer, and now I think he's trying to replicate that with Shreyas Iyer again for Punjab.
Absolutely, that partnership is definitely helping Priyansh Arya, and yeah, he has put IPL on notice, and he's arrived with a bang.
Yeah.
42 ball, 103 is no joke.
Exactly, with that bowling attack, and that spin attack from Chennai. So again, long way to go for him. Still शुरुआती है अभी, but again definitely a star is born, I would say.
Yeah, hope he continues his good form.
Yeah, absolutely. Alright, so जो अगला प्लेयर जिस पे हम बात करेंगे और थोड़ी स्पॉटलाइट थ्रो करेंगे वो है
Sai Sudarshan from Gujarat Titans. What a player! I am just in awe because consistency इतना दिखाया है साई सुदर्शन ने. He is one of the most consistent batsmen in the IPL for couple of years now, if not more. जो अभी recently score किया 82 against Rajasthan Royals, dominated the batting and the bowling lineup, and they made a big total of 217, and Sai Sudarshan was the key player there. And he has quietly become one of the top run getters this year in the IPL. Unassuming character. 273 runs in just 5 matches. It's amazing. And जो उसका अप्रोच है साई सुदर्शन का, बहुत ही काम पर्सनालिटी है. स्ट्राइक रोटेशन इतना सुंदर है, और he accelerates well, और he is very calculated and he plays very smartly in the middle over especially. मुझे अभी भी याद है उसका he was stepping forward to Fazal Faruqi, and he was going to hit down the ground, but because the ball was short, he beautifully adjusted and played a late uppercut. That was amazing to watch. It shows his presence of mind, or how he adapts to different situations that are thrown at him. Not just that shot, but that shows his batting ability and prowess. Again, these young players, they do not panic under pressure.
Like he knows his game really well, तो like उसको अपने he backs himself really well as well. उसको अपने abilities पे पूरा confidence है. And जैसे तुमने बोला कि 273 runs in 5 matches, I think अभी वो orange cap की leader board में already second पे है. अगर तुम देखोगे first में कौन है उससे पहले, Nicholas Pooran, completely अलग batsman उसको लेके, like
left-handed but completely different.
हाँ, मतलब the way he kind of approaches his game, totally अलग, totally different than what Sai Sudarshan does. He takes his time initially, and then बाद में he accelerates, like you rightly said. But yeah, measured aggression, I would say.
Yeah, and like anchor, striker, finisher, सब कर लेता है Sai.
Yeah, in fact वो match में भी against Rajasthan Royals, like I think उसने काफी पार्टनरशिप स्टिच करी. लाइक पहले ही काइंड ऑफ प्लेड विद जॉस बटलर, उसके बाद शाहरुख खान आया, उसके साथ भी एक्सेलरेट करता गया. टिवाटिया के साथ उसने और थोड़ा एक्सेलरेट किया. बट या उसके इनिशियल 20 बॉल्स ही टेक्स, बट देन उसके बाद जो वो एक अलग गियर में आ जाता है, दैट इज लाइक रिमार्केबल.
जो तूने बोला निकोलस पूरन से कितना डिफरेंट पर्सनालिटी है.
यस,
he like Sai Sudarshan will not go out screaming, but he'll show the way to the team.
Right.
But yeah, so क्या लगता है future India contender?
Yeah, I mean he is right up there. He's definitely knocking the door, I guess, with some of the other youngsters as well. I think he's already made his debut, one day में. I think South Africa में उसने series खेली थी right after 2023 World Cup, जहाँ पे उसने back to back 50s भी मारे थे वहाँ पे. तो he definitely made a case there. But yeah, T20 में he's definitely knocking the door because उसका जो ये सीजन रहा है अभी तक 5 ही मैच हुए हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले भी लास्ट सीजन उसका अराउंड 500 रन मार चुका है वो 12 मैच में, और उसके पहले भी गुजरात टाइटन की तरफ से 8 मैच में उसके 350 रन थे. तो मुझे याद है कि पहले लाइक आई थिंक लास्ट सीजन में ओपनिंग नहीं करता था वो, एंड देन आई थिंक तीसरे या चौथे मैच के बाद लगा कोचिंग को के या कोचेस को कि he could be you know like a better opener with शुभमन गिल. तो तब से वो ओपनिंग स्लॉट मिला उसको और उसके बाद तो उसने मुड़ के देखा ही नहीं वापस. तो
and one of the big reasons why Gujarat Titan is currently at the top of the table.
Yes.
So yeah, hopefully
under the radar वाला प्लेयर, लेकिन I mean जिस तरीके से वो परफॉर्मेंसेस कर रहा है बेहतरीन.
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, hopefully his consistency is consistent and his form continues.
Yeah, and you know hoping for another crackling season from him for Gujarat Titans. अगर वो रन बनाता गया तो I think Gujarat Titans has a very good chance of qualifying for the playoffs.
Yeah. तो हमारा अगला प्लेयर स्पॉटलाइट का प्लेयर है
KL राहुल and KL Rahul 2.0 specifically. तो
Rahul 2.0.
So what do you think about KL Rahul इस IPL में अभी तक?
Definitely KL Rahul 2.0. KL Rahul has upgraded his game. जो उसने KL Rahul 1.0 का consistency और sensible batting approach वो उसने रखा है, but he has improved his white ball game by leaps and bounds. He is sensible and he is also attacking. So it is बहुत ही मज़ा आ रहा है KL राहुल को देखते हुए, ऐसे बैटिंग करते हुए. एंड दिल्ली कैपिटल्स इज बेनिफिटिंग. एंड जो उसका अडेप्टेबल अप्रोच है कि ओपनिंग भी कर रहा है, मिडिल ऑर्डर में भी आके बैटिंग कर रहा है एंड टीम को मैच जिता रहा है, जिससे अच्छा क्या चाहिए. तो या KL राहुल डेफिनेटली 2.0. जो उसने अभिषेक नायर के साथ काम किया है अपने बैटिंग पे, अपने वाइट बॉल गेम पे, दैट shows in his batting performance in this year's IPL. I think usually KL Rahul, when he has a good IPL, he has a very good IPL.
Exactly.
And I think he will definitely this year also have a very good IPL.
Yeah, like पहले के वर्जन में I think बिल्कुल लगता था कि थोड़ा सा एक या दो गियर है जो और लगा सकता है. इस साल वो डेफिनेटली देखने मिला. Even like when I think he had to open for like one match जब फैफ बाहर था, तो उसकी जगह ओपनिंग में आके उसने पहले इनिशियली थोड़े बॉल्स लिए एंड बाद में ही एक्सेलरेटेड टू अनदर लेवल. सिमिलरली ये जो मैच अभी हुआ जिसमें उसने 92, आई थिंक इट वाज अ मार्की मैचअप आरसीबी के साथ था उसके होम ग्राउंड में, एंड स्कोरिंग 90 odd runs. I think he was 29 of 29 initially.
Yes.
Because ट्रिकी चेस थी, थोड़ा पिच ट्रिकी थी, बहुत सारे विकेट्स इकट्ठे गिर गए थे. लेकिन आई थिंक ही गॉट once he got his eye in, I think he exploded. Like we could see there's another gear in his batting this time around. And it was amazing to see that.
जो स्पेशली बैंगलोर वाले मैच के बाद जो उसने कंटारा मूवी का जो सेलिब्रेशन किया कि दिस इज माय turf, this is my territory. And he stamped his authority in the Bangalore Chinnaswamy Stadium. That was
बिल्कुल. I think maybe he had a point to prove as well, because I think मुझे याद है auction में RCB went for him till a certain extent. I think 12 crore तक गए and then उसके बाद Delhi took over. So maybe this is a way to kind of tell everyone over at the Bangalore मैनेजमेंट के हाँ मैं भी यहाँ हूँ और ये मेरा इलाका है, ये मेरा अड्डा है.
show him his worth.
Exactly. And who's the boss in Bangalore? Exactly. So
hopefully KL Rahul will also continue his rich vein of form. और कमेंट्स में बताओ और कौन से प्लेयर्स पे स्पॉटलाइट करनी चाहिए हम लोग को.
लाइक वी जस्ट रियलाइज कि हमने एक भी बॉलर नहीं लिया इस एपिसोड में, तो प्लीज़ कमेंट्स में बताओ कि आपके आप किससे कंसिडर करते हैं अपने स्पॉटलाइट में इस IPL में अभी तक. लाइक ऐसे कौन से बॉलर्स है स्पेसिफिकली जिनका परफॉर्मेंस इम्पैक्ट लाया है आपके जहन में. तो प्लीज़ हेल्प अस बूस्ट दिस पॉडकास्ट एंड शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड लेट अस नो हाउ वी कैन इम्प्रूव. और कौन से और अलग अलग टेम्पलेट्स चाहिए आपको वीडियोज़ में, हमें कमेंट्स में बताएं. एंड वील बी बैक विद अनदर episode, another podcast. See you next time.